NLP stands for Natural Language Processing, which is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP allows machines to process and analyze natural language data such as text and speech and extract meaningful insights or responses from it. NLP technology is used in various applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, sentiment analysis, text summarization, machine translation, and speech recognition. It involves a combination of techniques from linguistics, computer science, and machine learning, including natural language understanding, natural language generation, and natural language interaction. NLP algorithms work by breaking down natural language data into smaller components, such as words, phrases, and sentences, and then using statistical models and machine learning algorithms to analyze and understand the meaning of those components. These algorithms can also be trained on large datasets of annotated or labeled text to improve their accuracy and performance. Overall, NLP is a rapidly growing field with many practical applications that enable humans to interact with computers more naturally and effectively, using language as the primary interface.